and welcome to Solution News. In this video I am going to show you how to fix unfortunately app stopped error on any Android phone. This method is working for all apps, so let's do it. First go to settings. Now slide down and search for apps. In some Android phones, apps are called App Manager. Click on Apps or App Manager. Now slide down and search for your required app. For example, I will click on Drive and click on Storage, and here first click on Clear Cache, and after this click on Clear Data and click on OK. And here you can see cache and data is completely clear. Go back and click on permissions. Enable all the permission. My permission is not enabling because my Android phone is on recording mode, so this is overlay on the apps. So because of that, app permission are not granted. But you make sure that all the permissions are enabled. Go back and here click on disable, and here click on disable app. After this, re-enable the app, restart your Android phone and your problem will be solved. If this trick is not working for you, just click on this video which is showing right now on the screen, which will help you to remove that error. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.